Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel Crypto Mystery Cash. And for today I will try to explain some things about the simple coin and the airdrop you have claimed. But this is a brand new channel with how to make money with cryptocurrency or online. So just if you want, just give some support, subscribe to the channel and be the step with the channel in just in case to release a new video and receive a new update. So for today's video we'll talk about little bit about simple token, how to swap, or is possible to swap or not. I try every possible way to swap this token, and I discover a lot. So I will explain step by step this. So this is the video. I have more than 2050 views, 2500 views. So guys, please subscribe to the channel and like if you want. And let's go to the token first. For those who claim on Trust Wallet, let's see. I didn't claim on Trust Wallet, but this how look the airdrop claim on airdrop. They recommended in the bot claim on Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Why? Because they are in the Trust Wallet, they can manipulate you to wait until the end of the airdrop to be able to swap this coin or to use this coin. But in the end I think they will add some coin where in like the IT coin with Btcbitcoin, who will give you 1 to 10% to unlock this airdrop. I think that will be the case for the Trust Wallet. But what's going on BitKeep for those who claim on BitKeep? Let's go to my BitKeep and see what's going on. In the process of swapping, I discover more things than just the simple coin. When I tried to swap the token, let's find the simple. This is the simple. With just $1.50. First, let me explain simple. If you try to swap all the airdrop, for example your $60 or $70, you're going to need maybe 1 BNB to swap the airdrop, because the simple token has his hidden value, and because it has a hidden value, he has also a hidden fees. Let's try to tap some amount and see what is going on with the token. Let's see, to tap approximately $8. As you can see, don't try to swap all the airdrop, just tap at this amount, $8 for example, and I do the same. And I don't want to cancel the contract, but I will show you what I make and what I get from this. I tap this amount, approximately $8, and don't worry guys, you will not lose anything. The BNB remains in your wallet. But it's happened. Don't try to swap all the airdrop, because like I said, the token has a hidden value, also the hidden fees. Just tap at this amount. When you see $8 of simple, you will see $4 of BNB. So that's impossible to spend $8 to get a 4. The the wallet itself, when you click on continue, finding the best channel for swapping, as you can see here, is on 49% down. The price is 40% down. That's mean the when this $8 represented in simple will be equal to the $8 of BNB, you can swap your airdrop, but not the all. Try with small amounts. When I confirm this, I get this authorized contract. He didn't take me anything, but I get this contract for swapping just for, I think, $8 or $10. As you can see, the price of the simple will rise. That's sure. How the holders will grow up, and pre-sale is how the pre-sale will grows. But the 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 progress of the token you can follow on their main page. Just click on their main page and you can follow the progress of the token. This is the progress of the token. So no one can tell you that this token is false or not, it's scam or not. No one can tell that. Everything depends on these guys. When this goes to 5,000, I think that this airdrop will be successful. With just 50% will be successful, maybe. And even then, reaching the 50%, the price will go very up, because the amount of holders will grows, and also the holders, the amount of holders will grow. That means as many people possess this token, the price will go up. But let's see what I get from this unlimited simple and contract for swapping. After swapping the $10 or 8, I can't remember, but because of the hidden fees and hidden value, you need to have at least $2 to do this. As you can see, here is approximately 0.4 cents, but you need $2 to do this, because you will not because the hidden fees and hidden value, he will not allow you to do this. And also, you don't lose your BNB. The BNB remains in your wallet. But when the price will go up, this contract will be automatically, as you can see, authorized, and the airdrop will automatically swap it. So go, if you want, do this and make arrangement for swapping, but with small amount until $10. So if the price goes up, then that $10, maybe will be 20 or 30 or 50, and you will swap for the same amount of BNB. As you can see, now is plus 12%. That's good, guys, because the amount of holders is growing. But when I tap a swap, what is interesting, I start to receive these strange tokens. I received this airdrop from some angel token worth of $1,300. I will paste links in description, addresses from this token. Just go to this plus sign, and paste the address here, and after that you will receive the token. Even if you don't try to swap, just paste the address here and you will get this airdrop from $1,300. Also, I will put in description address from this AI token. You can also go to this plus sign and paste and receive this airdrop. So completely everything complete, you will have approximately $8,000 in your wallet. So if I think one of the three airdrops will be real or swappable in the very short time. So if I soon find out something how to swap or do something with this coin, I will release a new video and I will keep you up to date. So please, guys, follow my channel for future updates, and there is some more valuable project coming on this platform on my channel. So please, if you want to follow my channel, please subscribe and give some support. And if I find out something new about this token, I will not make a new video and I will show you how to do that. I will just paste the address from these tokens. Just need to copy from there. Also in the comments, I think in the comments is more, it's more acceptable, because in the description maybe will not allow you to copy. I will put in the comments, so go in the comment, just copy and go on this plus sign, paste the addresses, and you will get this airdrop from $8,000. That's it for now, guys. I will keep you up to date. Please stay tuned with the channel. That's it. Goodbye.